Look at this huge pile of clothes that I've got here. Oh my god. Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So these days I'm binge watching a ton of closet cleanup, clean out or organization videos on YouTube, and that motivated me to do a video like that myself. So I decided to film the entire process of me cleaning out my closet, and I'll show you how I organize it back. So एक तीर से दो निशान है, तो ये वीडियो भी बन जाएगी और क्लोजेट भी क्लीन हो जाएगा. Now I'll be making this video in two parts. The first part which you're watching right now will be me cleaning everything out. I'll just decide what I have to keep, sell or donate, and then I'll organize it all back. I'll also give you some very handy dandy organizational tips, जो कि एक छोटी अगर आपके पास wardrobe है, closet है, तो उसके लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा useful रहती है, and that helps me a lot. Also, the second part will be me doing a closet tour. So stay tuned for that and make sure you subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload that video. Now I think this is the perfect time to do a video like this, because right now we're all cooped up inside our houses, and instead of just binge watching all day, आप इस टाइप के काम इस टाइम पे perfectly कर सकते हो, because you have so much time in hand. तो चलो ये वीडियो देखते देखते मेरे साथ क्लीन कर लो अपनी क्लोजेट भी, या फिर डू इट लेटर इफ यू वांट टू, बट मेक श्योर यू क्लीन योर क्लोजेट्स आउट. अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बताया कि आई डिसाइडेड टू सेल सम ऑफ माय क्लोथ्स, बट मुझे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं किस प्लेटफॉर्म में सेल करूँ. सो आई विल बी सेलिंग दोज क्लोथ्स दैट आर इन परफेक्ट कंडीशन. सो डू टेल मी इफ यू हैव एनी प्रेफरेंस और इफ यू वांट मी टू सेल देम और नॉट. If you haven't already subscribed, then please, I cannot stress on this enough. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to churn up a lot of content for you. और मैंने बहुत सारे और amazing ideas सोचे हुए हैं, तो उन सबको देखने के लिए please subscribe. That really motivates me. And now without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. This is the before of the closet. As you can see, मैंने सब कुछ बस ऐसे ही फेंका हुआ है. Now it is a little organized because जब मैंने अपने winter clothes store किए थे, that time I organized it थोड़ा सा, but then it's been I think more than a month, और सब कुछ अब वापस से ऐसे ही बस फेंका हुआ है. So as you can see, it's all piled up so badly. Here you can see यहाँ पे पीछे भी यहाँ पे पूरे bundles और piles हैं of clothing pieces, and I think it's all overflowing out of it. मतलब if I have to find something right now, it will be so difficult for me to find it. Can you look at the condition? It looks so bad, and I am particularly a very organized person. और ये सब देख के मुझे stress हो रहा है खतरनाक वाला. How I'm going to clean all of this, and it's like, oh my god, it's making me so anxious. So okay, we'll just stop all that and we'll start working. So step one is I'll just take everything out. Now you must have heard of the Marie Kondo method of cleaning out things. Like you have to take everything out and then you have to decide, you have to hold the clothing piece, और आपको देखना है कि whether it it makes you happy anymore, it sparks life, और पता नहीं कुछ ऐसा कुछ है. But I am not going to do any of that. I was just telling you. मैं तो सिर्फ सब निकालूंगी. I'll decide what to keep, what to throw. Although most of these things I think I'll be keeping, because कुछ दिन पहले जब एक month पहले जब मैंने closet clean out किया था, तो मैंने बहुत सारा चीज़ें purge out करी थी. Okay, so we are starting with the first clothing piece. There you go. And now we're gonna do everything. I'll fast forward it because obviously इतना boring हो जाएगा. So here's the montage of me cleaning everything out. But wait, let me play some Friends first, and then I'll get to work. This huge pile of clothes that I've got here. Oh my god, so many clothes. I had no idea. This is the closet that's completely empty. इतना पार्ट छोड़ के, because that's not where I keep my clothes. क्लोथिंग चीज़ें मैं सिर्फ यहाँ पे रखती हूँ. In these two compartments I keep some personal things and my lingerie and stuff. In this bag here I keep my socks. मैं आपको सब details में बाद में समझाऊंगी. Now step 2 is to segregate all of these into 3 different piles. I'll do like a keep pile, then a sell one, and then a donate one. Now I think I won't be donating much clothes this time, because मार्च में मैंने जब क्लीन अप किया था तो मैंने डोनेट करने वाली सारी चीज़ें निकाल दी थी. बट देन सेल करने वाली मैंने फिर भी वहीं रखी थी बिकॉज आई हैड नो आइडिया वेयर टू सेल इट एंड इफ़ यू वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन बाइंग इट और नॉट. So yeah, now I think I'll make a sell pile. I've decided to finally sell them. So I'll just quickly segregate them. Let's roll the montage in 3, 2, 1. So these are all the clothing pieces that I'm gonna keep. And then these are the ones that I'll sell. So I've got quite a few denim pieces here. मैंने ये denim jacket I think एक बार पहनी थी for a video, एक या दो बार, just for a video. Never wore it out. Then some denims, and then this coat set. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This like fake leather kind of a coat set. I got it from Lulu and Sky. और ये इतना प्यारा था but ये मुझे बिल्कुल fit नहीं आता. This is the top, and then this amazing leather skirt is right here. It's got ruffles here. So this is in size M और मुझे तो ये बिल्कुल फिट नहीं आता since it has zero elasticity और leather type का material बिल्कुल वो नहीं होता. So I'm going to sell all these and then these are for donation. As I said, donate के लिए अभी ज़्यादा निकलेंगे नहीं because मैंने already सब कुछ निकाल रखा था. And then a couple of winter items that I have to keep like the jacket और एक दो फुल टॉप हैं बस. Now whenever I have to decide whether I want to keep a particular clothing piece, तो मैं ये सोचती हूँ कि मैंने उसको पिछले एक साल में पहना है या नहीं. If I haven't, तो I like give it away until and unless it has some sentimental meanings to it. But then if you don't want to hoard a lot of things, so see whether you wore it in last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and if you haven't touched it, you've grown out of it. Do not hoard that thing. Now we are starting with step 3, which is keeping everything back. Organize करना है हर चीज़ को. This is I think the most tedious task. It's like a pain in the ass stuff. So let's just breathe in and get started with it. First I'm taking a quick lunch break because I'm so hungry and it's like quite late. काफी देर से हम ये सब कर रहे हैं. So you also go get something to eat after these 2 steps because आगे का काम is gonna be very difficult. So eat something and then I'll see you. Now before we start organizing and keeping everything back, I want to talk to you about something that helps me staying super organized and like store a lot of things in compact spaces. So I've got these multi-level hangers right here. It's got like 5 levels in it. So आप इसमें 5 clothing pieces टांग सकते हो और you can like double it up and put 10 pieces or 15 depending on the size of the clothing piece. But then I'll tell you, these hangers are lifesavers, especially if you have a lot of clothing pieces and less space. Also, it helps you in staying super organized because जैसे यहाँ पर मैंने अपनी सारी dresses एक hanger में टांग दी, so I know where to reach out to get dresses और फिर मैं ऐसे देख के आराम से select कर सकती हूँ. Similarly, I have all my like more flouncy, more fancy blouses and tops in this hanger. मैंने डबल करा है so it can hold like 10 pieces. Also these hangers are super sturdy, like believe me. मैंने यहाँ पे इस hanger पे अपने सारे crop tops और spaghetti tops टांगे हुए हैं and I think I've got like 15-20 tops in it and see it's so sturdy, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है. I've got like a set of 6 I think and I bought them from Amazon. I'll definitely give the links in the description box for anyone who wants to buy them. But believe me, I definitely recommend you to get these hangers. Now this is my first tip for staying organized. तो जैसे ऐसे hangers में decide what you want to keep. हर hanger को आप एक individual clothing piece के लिए बना लो, like one for your crop tops, one for your leggings, one for your skirts, one for your shorts, like whatever you want. And then store only that particular clothing piece in that like hanger. Now this is the update so far. Here are all my denims. मैंने अभी तक अपनी सारी denims और ये सब कुछ स्टोर कर लिया है. As I've told you, मैंने एक हैंगर में 2 denims रखी हुई हैं. So here I've got 2 black ones, 2 white ones. Then मैंने hangers को भी strategically वो करा है. Here I have got like mom kind of jeans, then 2 boyfriend jeans, and then at last 2 skinny jeans. Now I have removed quite a lot of jeans. मैंने शायद 6-7 jeans remove कर दिए हैं and I'm left with these many. So for storing my shorts, I like to roll them like this and then stack them together. Makes them really compact और इससे काफ़ी स्पेस सेव होती है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड टिप टू स्टोर योर पजामाज, शॉर्ट्स. सो दिस इज द बिफोर. एवरीथिंग लुक्स लाइक इट्स फ्लोइंग आउट ऑफ द क्लोजेट. एंड नाउ आफ्टर I've cleaned it, let's see the after. And this is the after. It looks so clean now and everything so organized like how I wanted. So this is what the closet looks like. It looks super clean and organized. Now I know where to reach for particular clothing piece, and it looks so good. I'm so happy with all the work. Now if you also organized with me and are also done with the work, then go treat yourself to a nice snack or a good movie. Now I'll give you in detail of everything in the next video, which is going to be a closet tour. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling, stay safe and stay indoors. Bye.